Stick around and I'll show you how to make delicious, crispy bacon in your microwave. Let's take a quick look at this Nordic Ware bacon tray. And I've got 2 great tips for you that I know you're going to love. But first, here's why I love this bacon cooker. I made this BLT in about 5 minutes, and it may not be picture perfect, but I know it's going to be delicious. When you cook bacon, you're actually removing moisture and rendering fat, which helps it get crispy. That's why the lid on this bacon cooker has vent holes, to let the steam escape instead of trapping it. Now here's tip number 1, an easy way to separate bacon. Bacon fat acts like glue, making the slices stick together. To make separating them easier, place the sealed package in the sink and run warm water over it for a minute or 2. This softens the fat just enough to pull off the slices without tearing them. The manufacturer recommends cooking 1 minute per slice, so with 5 slices here, that would mean 5 minutes. But since my microwave is powerful and the bacon is on the thinner side, I'm going to start with 4 minutes instead. It's been 4 minutes. Let's see how the bacon turned out. You can see the bacon is nice and crispy, perfect for a salad, BLT, or even homemade bacon bits. Now here's tip number 2, easy cleanup. The bacon cooker is dishwasher safe, but you definitely don't want to pour all that grease into your dishwasher. Instead, while the grease is still warm, turn the tray upside down on a few layers of paper towels and let gravity do its thing. Let it sit there for about 10 minutes and then you can just pop it in the dishwasher. Now, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.